guys, Ronald from ReveMoto. So today I'm going to be showing you our touch-up bottles. If you guys like this video or like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. If you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and touch-up bottle source. Thank you. Alright, so our touch-up bottle is going to come in a box like this. You're going to go ahead and open that up. So depending on what you guys order, you're either going to get all of this or just a variation of these types of bottles. So first, you're always going to get a brush. One of these brushes, just pull it out of the pack. So if you order only the base coat, you're only going to get one of these brushes. If you guys order the base coat and the clear coat, you're going to get two of these brushes. So each box is always going to come with one of these brush cleaners. So basically, whenever you guys are done touching up a spot, go ahead and clean it up with one of these things. Alright, so if you guys order the sealer and base coat, you're going to get a sealer like this one. So just follow the directions on the back. And also, depending on the color of your vehicle, it's either going to come with white or gray sealer. So if you guys get a white base coat, you're going to get a white sealer. And if you guys get any other color, you're going to get a gray sealer. All of our package is going to come with one of these. It's going to be your base coat of choice. So right here is the paint coat. So just go ahead and make sure that it's the right color that you guys selected. Okay. So it's going to have the directions right there, and also caution danger right here. So read all of the instructions fully. So you guys are going to get one of these. So the other product that we have in a package deal is going to be the high gloss clear coat. So that's going to protect the base coat and also give you that high gloss shine on your vehicle or the repair area that you guys are repairing. Alright guys, let's go ahead and test out our product on this 2007 Volkswagen Rabbit. So we're going to do our base coat, our sealer base coat, and clear coat. Let's get started. Alright guys, so on this demonstration right here on this rock chip, again we're going to go ahead and clean it off first. Soap and water, or just run it through the washing machine, car wash. I call it washing machine, but the car wash, or wash it yourself by hand. Wipe it dry. So if you guys using a towel, make sure it's a lint-free towel, like a blue towel, a shop towel, or one of those microfiber towels will work really well. So in this demonstration, we're going to use our sealer, first application, and then we're going to apply base coat on it. So shake up the sealer. Want to make sure it's all evenly mixed up. So the sealer is used to prevent it from rusting again, and also it gives it a more of a bond when you apply the sealer. So it's basically an adhesion promoter. Once again, open up that brush. I like to mess around with the brush head, just make sure they're not, they're kind of loose. And on the sealer, you just need one application on it. So just dab it in there. Don't dab too much in there. All you're trying to do is go ahead and cover up the exposed metal. So remember, we are also using base coat, so we're going to layer that up. So once you're done with this sealer, go ahead and clean off that brush. It's very important you clean off that brush. So again, grab that brush cleaner right there. I like to put a little bit on the top of the cap. And then go ahead and clean my brush. Just like that. Grab a towel, clean off that brush. Then also clean off the top of the cap. All right. So on the sealer, wait 5-10 minutes depending on the weather temperature to make sure it dries up. Once it's dry, go ahead and get your base coat. Again, shake it up. Make sure the color's all shooken up. And then also look at the color, make sure it does color match your vehicle. All right, once that's done, with the same brush that you cleaned off, go ahead and apply the first layer of base coat. Gonna let that dry 5-10 minutes. Okay, 5-10 minutes later, go and apply another coat of base. This time you can apply a little bit more than the first time. Let that dry up. Okay, once the second layer is dry, go and apply the final coat. Usually it's only 3 coats, but if you guys need more, just go ahead and put some more. So once again, get your brush cleaner right there. Put some on the top of your cap. Clean off the brush head. Get a blue towel or a microfiber towel without a lint on it. Clean off that brush head. And then go ahead and clean off the top. Alright guys, so on the second step, we applied the base coat. So we applied sealer, base coat, and now we're going to apply that clear coat. The clear coat basically makes it shine just like the original factory color, and also gives you a protection on regards to the UV rays. So it's gonna be the high gloss clear. Always follow the directions on the side. Usually you don't apply the clear coat until 24 hours later. So you don't have to shake this up. It's already shooken up, it's already ready to go. Go ahead and apply either 1 or 2 coats on there. So on the package with the clear coat, you're gonna have a secondary brush. Go ahead and remove that. Don't use the brush that you guys already used for the base coat and the sealer, because it's gonna affect the clear coat, because you don't want any base coat on there. So go ahead and remove the cover and the packaging off of the second brush. And also, again, I like to mess around with the brush head so all the brushes are loose. Okay, so you guys have that high gloss clear right there. Go ahead and put some on your brush head and then apply it on there. Alright, so let that one dry up 24 hours, and you can do some more techniques on there, like sanding it down and buffing it out to make it look a lot better. Then after that, after you've already used the brush, go ahead and again clean off that brush. Don't let it soak overnight, or don't let it dry up overnight. It's going to be harder for you to clean that brush the next day. Again, grab a clean towel, like a non-lint-free towel or microfiber towel. So don't use those regular white towels you clean the kitchen with. Let that dry. And again, don't dump this dirty one back inside the brush cleaner bottle. Clean it. with your towel. And then go ahead and use that brush cleaner top and secure it back on. Alright guys, so that's the basic way you use our toucher bottles, but there's more advanced ways. If you guys want to learn more about that, go ahead and comment down below, let us know. But go ahead and go to ReveMoto.com, your big paint auto body part source, and now your toucher bottle source. Thank you.